Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. There are just some jobs that need extra big, strong bags, like these Ultrasac Contractor 42-gallon bags. I love the strength and the durability of these bags. They're just so thick and they have nice flaps at the top corners so that I can use it to lift the bag and then tie them off. I don't just use them for trash either. I use them for storage, and they are also great for yard cleanups. The 42-gallon size makes them nice and big for the larger jobs. I use them for my cushions, my outdoor cushions, and the box that they come in is perforated. You can fold the tab so that you can easily remove the bags and keep them stored in the box. The durability and the size of these Ultrasac Contractor 42-gallon bags has just been so helpful and useful in our home, and that's our point of view.